Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can scan a Spotify code with your Spotify app in your mobile device. So let's talk about two scenarios here. The first one, you saw the Spotify code in your laptop or PC or maybe in your friend's mobile device or maybe in a piece of paper and you want to scan the code. And the second scenario, let's say you saw the code in Instagram or Twitter and you want to scan the code. So let's check the first scenario. I'll turn the camera. Okay, and I'm in Twitter and this is a Spotify code. To scan this code, I have to go to Spotify app. If I long press, I can see the search button. This is a shortcut. So I am in the search page. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you can see this camera button. Tap there, and it's too quick. You got the song. Okay, so this is from a external source. Now let's close this. Now let's go to Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Here I can see this Spotify code. If I want to scan this code, what I have to do? I have to screenshot. Okay, screenshot is saved to my camera roll. Now I'll go to Spotify. Where is my Spotify? Yep. Okay, in Spotify, go to search, tap on search. Now again tap on this camera button, top right corner. Now, okay, let me go back. Tap on the camera button. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see select from photos. You have to tap there. Here I'll tap on just once. Now this is the picture we just took screenshot. Tap on it and you got the song. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can scan a Spotify code with your mobile device. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.